10 reasons to invest $100,000 in Gold IRA for retirement with the best gold investment companies. Amid financial uncertainty, investing $100,000 in a Gold IRA can provide stability and long-term growth. Here are 10 reasons to consider this strategic move. 1. Portfolio diversification. A Gold IRA adds a tangible asset to your portfolio, reducing risk and increasing stability. 2. Inflation hedge. Gold retains its value over time, protecting your wealth from inflation. 3. Wealth preservation. Gold acts as a safeguard against economic crises and maintains intrinsic value globally. 4. Tax advantages. Contributions to a Gold IRA are often tax-deductible, and the investment grows tax-deferred. 5. Liquidity. Gold can be easily converted to cash, offering financial flexibility when needed. 6. Limited supply. Gold's scarcity supports its value, making it a strong investment as demand rises. 7. Protection against market volatility. Gold often gains value when the stock market declines, providing a buffer against losses. 8. Long-term growth potential. Gold's value has shown consistent growth over time, offering substantial returns. 9. Legacy planning. A Gold IRA ensures the transfer of enduring wealth to your beneficiaries. 10. Professional management. Top gold investment companies manage your Gold IRA with expertise, maximizing performance and security. Investing $100,000 in a Gold IRA with a reputable company can protect and potentially grow your retirement savings, ensuring a secure future. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.